Account opening branch on Binance. If you've been trying to find a branch of Binance so that you can open up your account. Now, unlike normal and traditional bank accounts where you have different branches on different places for a bank and you can visit the bank for creating your bank account, Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange and it does not have physical branches for account opening, and account creation is done entirely online through their particular website or the mobile application. Now here in my case, you have to simply go to binance.com. Here you can see I'm already logged into my particular account. If I show you and go to the account section, I created my account entirely basically using my account details like my phone number, email, and verifying your know your customer, which is KYC verification. Now in order to create an account, I will also show you a couple of steps. First of all, let me log out of my current account from here. So once I log out, what you want to do is you want to simply go to Binance, and at the top right hand side you can say sign up. Click the sign up button right over there. Once you go to the sign up button, over there you will be able to simply sign up using your email or phone, or continue with Google or Apple. I will select sign up using email or phone number. Just enter the email address that you'd like to use for your Binance account right here. Verify and agree to the terms and conditions. Click the next option. After that, you have to verify your email, where you'll send a verification code to that email. Then once you click on submit, you'll be able to create your password and do other steps right over there. Now just to give your answer, as I said, account opening branches are not available for Binance. You must do so from the website or the app. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.